Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab channel. Today I am going to do a dry fruits chutney powder. The ingredients are like this. Firstly, I am taking groundnut seeds for roasting. Roast it till it turns to brown color. Groundnuts are packed with the goodness of vitamins and minerals. Now I am adding a quarter cup of almonds for roasting just to avoid moisture content in it. Almonds are high in vitamin E and antioxidants, keeps your heart healthy and controls blood sugar level. Now I am taking cashews for roasting. Roast it till it turns to golden brown color. Cashews also contain lot of vitamin B6, protein and magnesium to our body so that it reduces bad cholesterol. Now I am taking a 1/4 bowl of flax seeds to it for roasting. Roast it till flax seed starts to pop up. Flax seeds are highly nutritious and contains omega-3 fatty acids. Now I am taking a 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. The lignans present in sesame seeds boost liver function. Now I am adding a 5 to 6 dry red chillies for roasting. It aids in a digestion and act as a natural pain relief. If you want spicy means you can add more dry red chillies. Now I am just dry roast few garlic cloves. It has antibiotic properties and boosts our body's immune system. Now put all the ingredients into a mixie jar. For the 2 rounds I have taken for this. Now it's done. Spread this chutney powder in a plate and give a good mix with clean hands. You can easily store 15 to 25 days in an airtight container or a steel box.